Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a sound. So first thing first is you got to have Video Star. When you click Video Star, press the little button where it says Edit Video. Then pick your song. Pick the song that you want to use the edit for. I messed up a few times, so don't judge. But click that button. Click what you wanna thing, and then press the little button where it says new or whatever. I can't see, so don't judge. So after that, there should be a button where it says import. Then go to whatever, and you can add a video or a picture, and it should come up just like that. So
I do not care about the hoe. Grab me a Sprite, hold a phone.
Guys, if you have a fun day,
Get to the dope. Zombie stepping.
follow me on Musical.ly. Peace.